Today for our phonics word study practice, we talked about multiple meaning words. These are words that sound the same but have different definitions. For your practice today, you are going to choose 4 words below, write 2 sentences for each multiple meaning word, then type your sentences in the space provided. For this, we are going to use the word patient. We will type our first sentence. We are going to type, the patient talked to the doctor about his illness. So in this sentence, the word patient is someone who is ill. They're going to see a doctor. And in our second sentence, the word patient can also mean to wait, to calm down, to just breathe for a second. Be patient. I will be with you in a moment. So you're going to choose 4 words from this list and create 2 sentences for each word, 8 total, in the space provided. Submit to Schoology when complete.